If you are anything like me, I have wondered why some people seem to effortlessly attract the things they desire into their lives. It's like they've unlocked a secret door behind which their dreams become reality. Perhaps you've been curious about this, or maybe even a bit envious. But what if I told you that you too hold the key to this door, that you possess the power to draw your deepest desires towards you, like a magnet pulls iron? This phenomenon isn't magic. It's called the law of attraction. At its core, the law of attraction is the belief that positive or negative thoughts bring positive or negative experiences into a person's life. This is not just a fancy theory, but a principle that has been observed and studied for generations. It is regarded as secret knowledge, foretold in the Bible, the Torah, even the Bhagavad Gita. The first principle we're going to discuss is the power of thought. Thought are energy. As real as our bodies, they are our life force. It is believed that you are a magnet, attracting what you consistently think about. Your thoughts have a frequency, and like a radio, you're broadcasting that frequency out into the universe. This is why it's crucial to maintain a positive mindset, as it attracts positive outcomes. Next, let's delve into the importance of positive energy. The energy you emit influences the world around you. If you exude positivity, you create a ripple effect that can influence situations, people, and even your own experiences. It's like a boomerang. Whatever you send out comes back. Finally, we come to the belief in the possibility of manifestation. This principle states that you have the power to manifest your dreams and desires. If you truly believe in your goal and act as if it's already a reality, the universe will work to make it so. It's about aligning your thoughts and actions with the outcome you desire. Understanding these principles is the first step towards harnessing the power of the law of attraction. It's more than just wishful thinking. It's about consciously designing your life in alignment with your deepest desires and aspirations. Now that you understand the basics of the law of attraction, it's time to apply it to your own life. Picture yourself as the captain of your ship, navigating the vast ocean of your existence. The law of attraction is your compass, guiding you towards your desired destination. Keep in mind, consistency is key. Like a muscle, your ability to attract your desires grows stronger with regular exercise. Start with visualization. Quiet your mind. Close your eyes and imagine your ideal life in vivid detail. Feel the joy, the success, the fulfillment. Next, practice affirmation. Speak your desires into existence. Believe in them even before they materialize. Lastly, nurture a sense of gratitude. Cherish the things you already have, and the universe will reward you with more. Remember, the law of attraction is always at work, whether you realize it or not. So why not harness it for your benefit?